Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch Pro-face HMI display from CCFL to our UB54 series LED kit. This LED kit part number is UB54318 LED 8020X2 plus 30 plus MS530 EST wire adapters. I'm going to show you later on. So, wire adapter, driver, 2 LED strips. Let's set it aside for a second. This screen actually has no display. And well, let me show you the model first. It's made by Japan Avionic Electronics. As you can see it clearly, and it's called UT3-JAG4-L. Okay, it's a bit older machine, but still available in the markets. This is a well-made machine, and the problem is no display. So again, you know, if you are on field, or if you want to find out what's the problem with that, I would suggest that always use a flashlight. You know, flashlight, you shine on the surface while the machine's on. All the content should be still there. Then it's confirmed the problem's either caused by CCFL and inverters. If inverter's bad, the CCFL is bad. So you have to replace it. In that case, you might just want to upgrade the LED. Okay. See, this one has a lot of screws around. I removed some already, just save time for the videos. So let's take a look. This, okay, got screws. And okay, oops, see the screw here. Set that aside. Inverters made by TDK. It's using with the old panel, had 30 pin, 45 pin. There's a touch screen. Okay, first thing we need to do, we have to remove this chassis to access the screen, because we're going to upgrade the LED. So let's carefully remove this connectors, backlight connectors. Take a look what this. You can't even see the screen. And carefully, if you want to do some marking on this touch screen, just really careful. Don't want to damage the connectors. Pull out. All right. Oh, there's a couple screws holding the chassis. Okay. Alright, so before we take it out, I want to actually remove this. It's easy. The ribbon cable, just tilt up. Let me see, should be just tilt up. Pull up. Let me see. I want to maybe remove the screen side. Screen size better. I want to just tilt up like here, flip up connections. Alright, set it aside chassis. Okay, this screen we see it's made by Mitsubishi. Let me show you. It's called AA150XC01. If you have watched my previous video before, you know I have created one videos just for this particular screen and how to upgrade LED. You see there's a plastic clip that holding the reflectors on each end. So basically we just, not a plastic clip, it's a rubber. You just kind of like, show you. Okay, this one hopefully show it better. Push it down, you pull out. Coming out, so I better use. There we go. You see this? Pull out. One down, one to go. Same thing on this side. Here we go. Alright, so basically we just remove the lamp and we put it back, slice right back, okay? So removing the lamp. If you want to, you just cut it. We don't want to use it anymore. One, okay. Make sure it's clean. This side goes this side. Yep, this side goes this side. Because messed up. If you mess up the side, it might be easy to slice in. Okay. All right. So perfect. It fits perfect. Okay. So we're gonna peel it off. Well, let me space it. Yep, that's about it. Good. Yep. Push it. You just push 1 second at a time. If you want to, you can add some a little bit super glue on each end, so make sure you stay there. But other than that, that should be fine. It's pretty sticky. Okay. Once done, we do the other one. Right, same thing, same procedure. Yep. Push. So 1 second at a time, make sure it stick there. When you purchase an LED kit, we already tested before we ship it out, so it should be fine.